upper and lowercase u and v. So make sure you're not holding your pencil too tight. I have to keep reminding myself to not hold it too tight or my hand starts to get tired. So I have my paper slightly angled. Let's get started. Uppercase U. Big line down with a bump, then pick up your pencil back up to the top and a big line down. Big line down, bump, and a big line straight down. Big line down, bump, and a big line straight down. Now, even if this little curve here doesn't quite meet the big line when you draw it down, I just connect them. No big deal. See that? Sometimes my aim is a little off. But that's okay. I take my time and the letters still look great. Lowercase u, it's the same thing, half the size. Starting at the dotted line. Little line, bump, little line straight down. Little line, bump, little line straight down. Uppercase V, starting at the top, big line diagonal, big line back up. Pretty easy, but still take your time, okay? So good to practice these lines, seeing how straight can you make your line. They don't have to be perfect. Just take your time. Lowercase v, same thing, just like with the U, it's half the size. So little line down diagonal, little line up. Little line down, little line up. Now make sure you don't put these V's too close together, then they'll look like W's. Great job today. Upper and lowercase u and v.